Hi there, and you're welcome to the channel. This is Diana Latunde. So today we're going to be looking at why Bitcoin has been dipping in price. One of the reasons is what you're seeing on the screen. The treasury yields has been catching investor interest, especially institutional investors, and that is why the momentum on Bitcoin is going down a little bit. As you can see, the crypto futures rates and open interest have decreased, signaling a potential end to a 2-month rally. All right, now the S&P 500 dividend too, which is giving us the only good news that we're seeing right here is that the crypto staking rewards is now up by 450%, which is higher than the S&P 500 dividends. Okay, and this is the only good news we have right now, and this might just give us a little cat bounce, a little bounce to the upside, because this is quite exciting to see that okay, this is giving more rewards. And the dip was because of quite a lot of things in the market. Also, it's also a healthy retracement. If you watched my video yesterday, I did state the fact that even if we drop to $59,000 on the Bitcoin price, we are still in an healthy correction. And if I were you, I would be DCAing into my trades. Okay, so very soon we're going to go quickly into the charts, but I want us to quickly go through what we are seeing here on the screen. Here we said on March 31, the S&P 500, the index that tracks the 500 largest public companies in the United States, recorded its best first quarter growth performance in 5 years at 10.16%. Meanwhile, crypto staking, which involves locking up one's cryptocurrency holdings to earn interest or rewards, currently pays out an annual return average of 6.08%. All right. So this is actually very, very nice for the Bitcoin and the crypto community as well. And hopefully this can gradually add to the momentum of people wanting to have more interest in the cryptocurrency space. Also, have it in mind that we are very, very close to the halving. I showed us the halving countdown yesterday. I mean, we're less than 20 days to the halving right now. And this is the best time to start positioning yourself. Any retracement right now might be the last chance you would get to have to enter into any of these assets at such low prices. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the Bitcoin price chart. I wouldn't want this video to be too long. We're going to analyze the Bitcoin price chart as well as the Ethereum price chart. So yesterday we entered into a trade here on the Bitcoin price action after we confirmed our double bottom pattern. And like I said, if you look at this yesterday, I did say we were most likely going to see this bounce once we hit the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern which we had here. And once we extended it, you can see we are actually seeing a little bounce off of it, although we are actually approaching another resistance zone. And so it's advisable for you to be very careful with your trades here. We entered this trade yesterday. Let's see how it plays out. Do not forget also that you can join us. This trade was actually also dropped in our free signal group. You can join our free signal group by clicking in by clicking in the free signal link in the description of this video. If you're watching this on TikTok or on Instagram, you might want to follow us on YouTube and check the description links to see how you can join this free signal groups. We also have paid signal groups for much more trades and much more returns. Okay, and also remember, these are not financial advice. It's just my personal technical analysis on what Bitcoin is most likely to do. Now, I want to go on to the higher time frame, which would be the 4-hour time frame, and then we are going to examine the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are still seeing that we're still holding up to the neck of this inverse head and shoulder pattern that we have right here, and we are presently retesting the resistance as well. Hopefully we are able to break above it and create new prices in the imminent short term. However, we are still in the overall bearish trend of the bigger head and shoulder pattern, which is more evident on the daily time frame. If I'm to look at the daily time frame, you would see, let me try and expand this a bit so that it becomes clearer to you. We have a big head and shoulder pattern here, which I am not happy with at all. Okay, if I'm to draw it, we have coming from our neckline here. We have the first shoulder back to the neckline, and we have our head, and we created another shoulder, okay, because this shoulder didn't touch the head at all. And hopefully, the reason why I didn't quickly post this trade yesterday was because I wanted to see if we're going to go as far down as we're testing this neckline, which would be around $60,000, but we didn't. And so if I had to take targets off of this is why I drew this here. But let me draw it again so you can see how I arrived at that. If I had to take targets off of this, we are going to be looking at a very a much more strict correction. If this actually plays out and we break below the neckline, our next target would be on this zone right here, which is around $48,000, which is the scary part of this chart. So we had something similar to this on the daily time frame when we're in the bearish market, and actually we did close below the resistance. We did close below the support of the neckline at that period, but the target didn't failed through, okay, and then we actually reversed and kickstarted the bull run. So let's hope that that happens right now and it just plays out and we'll continue to consolidate during this halving period and see much more prices going forward. Okay, so hopefully this doesn't play out and we don't see lower prices. Be careful with your trade, guys. You can start DCA. You've seen all the possible points where Bitcoin may retrace to. You can also join our groups if you want to trade with us. And we're going to quickly brush through the Ethereum price action so that they don't feel like I left them out. You know, people be complaining a lot these days that I only analyze Bitcoin. So I'm trying to incorporate Ethereum into it. Okay, so now we're on the Ethereum chart and we're on the 1 hour time frame as well. I think we are also on the retest of this neckline, although I didn't really define this one like I did with Bitcoin. We are actually seeing, as you can see as I'm drawing this further, we're actually seeing a pullback. You know, we're bouncing off of that neckline on the Ethereum price action and about to approach another resistance. Okay, hopefully we are able to close above this and see higher prices in the imminent short term. Do not forget, it is not advisable to enter any short positions while you're in a support zone, and do not be entering long positions when you're in a resistance zone. Okay, so that's it from me today. Stay updated for more videos. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment. It encourages me and also helps with the algorithm, makes me create more video like this for you guys. Thank you so much and bye.